Good afternoon and welcome back to my workshop. My name's Paul and I run Mount Clear Machinist. One of the tasks that we did over the Christmas period was to get this Starrett 600mm by 400mm or 2 foot by 3 foot surface plate. So now we've got a surface plate in good condition, I can start to measure the height of the ram, of the ways on the ram. So this end is the back, which is unworn. It had the original flaking on it, and I've set the dial gauge to 0, and then I'm just pushing this down to here, and that's about as far as we can get. So we can see that there is an offset. So this gives us the guide to scraping. We know how much we need to scrape, and this will be very handy. With this little Hare and Forbes dial gauge, I would say it's sticking, because when I get back down to the end, it's showing 0.1 of a millimetre. The next things I'm going to do is to build a little table to do the scraping on. The table is going to be built out of wood, and it'll be the same height as the surface table, which means it'll be very easy to lift the ram from the table onto the surface table, take measurements, and then work out how much more scraping is needed. So here it's showing 10. I've set that back to 0. Okay, that is about 0.05. And yeah, I can see how it varies as I take that across that. And on the other side, I've got that set close to 0, and that is 20 units, 30. Now we know that 30 comes out to about comes out to 8 thou or thereabouts, which is good to know. So I'll just check this. Yeah, this is about 25. So it'd be 0.25, and then we make our way back, and we are in fact on 0. So there's some consistency here, and the good thing about having the surface table is that I will be able to measure the amount of scraping. So this one is 30 times 0.01, it's 0.3. This one is 10 times 0.01, which is about 0.1. So it looks like the ram has not been running quite square. So that's something else I'm going to have to look into. But before I do that, I think I will need to get a better quality dial gauge and even perhaps a better quality stand. So that is what I'm up to with the Butler shaper. One other thing is we can see that we've taken the table off of the shaper, and you can see the table is on a little trolley down the end. So that gets it nicely out of the way, and we've just got to get the carriage off and get the pulleys off, and then we'll be able to disconnect the body from the base of the shaper, roll it over and see if we can get the rocking arm out underneath. I think we will be. So there's been a fair bit of work going on in the background, and we'll see you all next time.